Hello students, today's topic is size of operator, bitwise operator and precedence associativity of operators in C. So we will discuss one by one the size of operator, bitwise operator and also the precedence and associativity. First is size of operator. Size of operator gives us the memory size of a particular data type or a variable of a particular memory size of a variable of a particular data type. So it is a unary operator. As you know, a unary operator is an operator which requires only one operand. So here the operand of this operator will be a data type or a variable of a particular data type. So sizeof is a unary operator. This operator gives the size of its operand in terms of bytes. So operand can be a variable, constant, or any data type, for example, int, float, character, etc. So the operand can be a variable, a constant, or any data type, that is integer, float, character, etc. Example, size of int. Int is a data type, gives us the bytes occupied by int data type, that is 2. So size of int is 2. So let's take a program and find the size of different variables and data types and constants. So here I have included two header files, standard input output attach and console input output attach, wide main. As you know, I have taken a variable of integer type int var. So size of int, we will first find the size of int. So int is a data type. We will write like this: size of and its operand. Size of is the operator and this is operand. Size of int, so it will give us the result of int is 2. As you know, the size of int is 2, so it will give us 2. Size of float, again float is a data type, so float and size of float is 4. It will give us a result 4. Also, I have used a format specifier %d because we are getting the result in integer type. So format specifier %d is for integer. Also size of var is also an integer variable. So size of var is again 2 because var is a integer type variable. And size of a integer constant, which is an integer. So size of 45, size of 45 is an integer. So size of 45 is 2. Get ch. So here we get the size of int 2, size of float 4, size of variable 2 and size of an integer constant 2. This is the size of operator. Now bitwise operator. So C has the ability to support the manipulation of data at the bit level. So we can manipulate the data at bit level. So bitwise operators are used in operations on individual bits. Some of the bitwise operators are: this is bitwise AND, this is bitwise OR, this is ones complement, this is left shift, this is right shift, and this is bitwise exclusive OR. So these are the some of the bitwise operators. Now we will discuss precedence and associativity. So what is a precedence? Precedence, as you know, in mathematics we use BDMAS. So here similarly we use precedence in C language. So precedence rules following in C language are almost same as that are performed in algebra. So in algebra we use BDMAS. In C language we use precedence. So expressions contained within a pair of parentheses is evaluated first. So those expressions which are in the brackets in the pair of parentheses, these expressions will be evaluated first. Hence parentheses can be used to force the order of evaluation to occur in any sequence desired by the programmer. So in case of nested parentheses, the innermost pair of parentheses is computed first. So if we have parentheses inside parentheses, the innermost parentheses will be executed first. Then modulus, division, and multiplication operators are evaluated next. So next is modulus, division, and multiplication. These three operations are on the same level of precedence. They have the same level of precedence. So if an expression contains several this division, modulus, and multiplication operation without the pair of braces, then the order of computation of expression is evaluated from left to right. So we will evaluate these expressions from left to right if they have same parentheses. Then assignment, addition, subtraction operations are applied last. So these have less precedence. So left to right evaluation of these operation is performed if more than one operator is present in without a pair of precedence. So these have bracket has higher precedence than modulus, division and multiplication, and then plus and minus. And associativity. When we have more than one operator which has same precedence, which are on same precedence, then we apply the rule of associativity. Associativity means if we have to execute the operation from left to right or right to left. So associative operation means that a certain rule of evaluation is applied on operators. For example, from left to right evaluation of plus and minus when both of them are present. For example, in an expression x plus y plus z, and x plus y is evaluated first and then the value of z is added to the result. So for example, we have x plus y plus z. So this plus, so we will evaluate x plus y, and then we will add the result of add the value of z with the result of x plus y. So this is associativity. Associativity means when we have more than one operator having same precedence, then we will evaluate the operators, the expression from left to right or right to left. This is called associativity. So here we have a table of precedence associativity. So this bracket have higher level of precedence, that is one, and these are its associativities left to right. Again, data type, size of, increment, decrement, not. This having precedence level 2, and associativity is from right to left. If we find these operators, then we will solve the expression from right to left. Then multiplication, division, and modulus having precedence level 3 and associative left to right. Then plus and minus, associative 4 and a precedence level 4 and left to right, and left shift right shift, that is precedence level 5 and associative left to right. Then less than equal to, greater than equal to, so precedence level 6 and left to right is associativity. Then equal to, not equal to, precedence level 7 and associative left to right. Then and precedence level 8 and associativity left to right. Bitwise exclusive OR, so precedence level is 9 and associativity left to right. Then bitwise OR, precedence level 10 and associativity left to right. Then AND, the AND, logical AND, precedence level 11 and associativity left to right. Then logical OR, here precedence level 12 and associativity left to right. Then we have this ternary operator. We have discussed in ternary operator in my previous lecture. Here precedence level 13 and associativity right to left. Then we have the assignment operators. These are assignment operators. Precedence level 14 and associativity right to left, and then comma operator, precedence level 15 and associativity right to left. So these are the sum of the operators, their precedence level and associativity. There are more, there are also so many variables, but I have discussed some of the commonly used operators here and their precedence level and associativity. So this is what I have today about size of operator, bitwise operator, and precedence associativity of operators, and a table showing precedence and associativity of operators. Thank you.